Congratulations to all students who passed the SEE exam. Today I want to talk about your future. The world is changing quickly, like a fast river. Your future career will be very different, but it will also be exciting and fun. You have likely heard about AI, artificial intelligence. In the coming years, AI will take over many jobs that people do today. In the next 5 to 7 years, AI could replace around 97 million jobs. But don't worry, AI won't replace us entirely. It will change how we work. Many new jobs will be created. You just need to be prepared. So, what should you learn? AI is great at following rules, but it struggles with human qualities. The world will always need creative people. We need problem solvers. These skills are the foundation of every successful career. My advice is to focus on basic math and science. Why? Because they train your brain to think. If you know how to think, you can learn any new technology in the future. Don't fall into the trap of financial burden. Chasing a big, branded college is not the answer. The future of education is personalized and adaptive. Intelligent learning technologies lets you teach yourself complex subjects. Focus on knowledge and skills. Don't go into debt for a name on a piece of paper. Embrace the future. Be curious. Keep learning. You have the power to build a great career. Chat with our AI assistant below. It will guide you to the next steps.